Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We are going to be testing this HK417 and this was built with a DMR spec, but it's going to be going overseas, and we've built it to the American customers' FPS requirements, and we have basically, we just want to demonstrate this working now with obviously the level 9 build, the obviously Dean's modification onto the stock here that we've done, and we've also got internally RHOP. We have we've done the FPS Piston just because they're a bit stronger than the Prometheus ones. We've got a Gate Titan Advanced plus a Laylax pin. We've got a black Epsilon trigger, and obviously we've got the original Murica Cobalt motor that's inside there, because obviously they do a quite nice motor inside these 417s. So yeah, and ignore these BBs. Just ready to demonstrate it working. So I've set it up for the heavier ammo. I tested on 4.3s, so that's what we'd recommend. Obviously, if you have to use lighter, you might be able to get away with it, but we'd still recommend using those 4.3s. Hopefully that's good for your requirements. Brilliant stuff. Right. Still going. I might stick another mag through there, make sure. Cool, so obviously all that's left for us to do is we're obviously going to install a orange tip on the end here. Obviously that is going to be fixed with a grub screw, so make sure you undo that before you try and twist that off. Obviously customs don't like it if it's removable, but we try to obviously bear in mind that the customer might want to remove that once they get it. And what I'll do is I'll get a metal one and I'm going to paint it for this build, because we're out of stock of the things. I don't like painting the TM ones if I can help it. We're also going to put some orange tape on here. It looks a bit horrible, but just in case, we like to build, do them all the same, just in case we forget that we're sending to California or New York or something like that, where obviously they're a bit stricter, and then obviously the one method covers us for all. And but yeah, otherwise it's a lovely gun. We've already shot it at range. I would happily game with this. Obviously it's slightly different in the UK. We'd obviously only be able to use the single shot. I mean, it's your call. Obviously if you want me to just make it single shot only, I can absolutely program that for you, but otherwise I realise that obviously America doesn't have that limitation on its builds, so yeah, let us know your requirements, and obviously we'll try and meet that for you, and hopefully otherwise any other problems, they're all sorted for you. But excellent, we hope you enjoy it, and beautiful gun, very heavy on my arm right now, but yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.